Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I am giving you some important tips to draw a house plan. Of course, this is very important to know about how to make a best house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. If you have any dimensions of any plot, so just see the tips how to draw a house plan. So this is the topic for today. As you can see guys, the plot size is 30 feet by 75 feet. I am just guiding you for tips, important tips to draw a house plan. So you can implement the given tips what I am discussing in any size of plot, okay? Guys, you can see the front is, this is its front side, which is road, and the front is located in north direction, or the plot is located in north direction, especially its front. Remember one thing, the first step is very important. Try to make two passage if the plot size is normal, okay? So try to make two passage, one at the back side and the other left side or right side. So this is very important to do proper ventilation and proper sanitary system. So the first point is, okay, keep minimum two passage, okay, and house plan. So this is the first step. That's why, because as I told you before, back side and left or right side, minimum two passage are important. Now in first step, this is very important to know about the width of passage, okay? So the width of the passage should not be less than, normally you can keep from 3 to 4 feet, okay? So this is the normal width, okay? If that is left side or right side or back side, okay? Right or back or left side, okay? But it should not be less than 2 feet or 2.5 feet, 2 feet and 6 inches. So this is minimum. It should not be less than this. You can increase about 5 feet. Why not? If you need the lawn at the back side, but it should not be less than, in that case, 8 feet. So 8 feet is sufficient for back lawn. But if you are not providing the back side lawn, so it should not be less than 2 feet and 6 inches. But normally you can keep up to 3 feet to 4 feet, okay? So why we are providing this? That's why, because we need proper sanitary, plumbing and lighting. That's why, because we are providing there door, windows, ventilation, etc. okay, to make it for proper ventilation, cross ventilation, etc. So this is very important. Next step is, guys, very important also. The second step is front side, okay? So the front lawn should not be less than 7 feet. So this is its front lawn, guys, you can see. So this lawn should not be less than 7 feet. As I told you before, because the back side lawn, the front side lawn is depend on the length of the plot or width of the plot. But this is very important to know 7 feet, because we can provide a small garden here, okay? And also this is the lawn, so we can use for normal sitting area, etc. So this is also very important. So the front lawn should not be less than 7 feet. But if you have more space, so you can increase, but it should not be less than this. But according to your requirements, we can also take the width of this lawn, minimum and maximum. Why not? But it should not be less than 7 feet, because this is the standard size. Less, but this is normal, but the standard size is about 10 feet, okay, at the front side, if we have about 75 feet. Next, guys, you can see we have more requirements here, okay? So the third step is the boundary wall, okay? Boundary wall the boundary wall keep up to thickness. Keep the thickness 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. That's why, because these are boundary walls, okay? As you can see here, this is boundary wall, this is boundary wall, okay, and this is also boundary wall. So these boundary wall thickness you can keep up to 4.5 inches, but inside wall, interior walls, where we have the covered area on the top of that, so you can keep the inside walls you can keep about 9 to 13.5 inches, but it should not be 4.5 inches. But remember one thing, so these are the inside walls, but inside walls between the bedrooms or kitchen you can also keep about 4.5 inches, but the front wall should not be less than 13 inches. But normally from 9 to 13.5 inches we can keep, but normally we are providing 9 inches, okay? But in some of areas we are required to provide 13.5 inches or 1.5 brick, and this is 1 brick, and 4.5 is half brick, okay? Now guys, suppose our requirements are here. These are the requirements. Okay? Suppose we have the requirements: 1 bedroom, okay, 1 kitchen, with laundry, okay. The next one is living room, the other one is drawing room, and staircase, and the last one is car parking. Okay, these are the requirements in this plot, okay? Remember guys, try to provide the kitchen at the back side in some of areas, in some of the cities, town planning, okay? So in that case, especially in the township, okay? So in the township we are providing the kitchen at the back side, but in some townships the design is depend on the situation, okay? We can also bring the kitchen at the front side, okay? But let me guide you here. So here guys, you can see we have 30 feet. So if we have the 30 feet, so we have here about 3 feet this side, or 4 feet and 3 side at the back side, okay? So let me make it here. This is the kitchen, okay? And here you can see guys, like this. Okay, you can see guys here, okay, look here guys, this is bedroom. You can keep the size, okay? I'm not discussing the size, but you just see the plan, okay? And this is kitchen, okay? And here guys, you can see this is laundry, and here guys you can see this line is going to this side, so this is small veranda at back side, so this is veranda, okay? Here guys you can see this is store, ST store, and this is its door, and this is the door for kitchen, okay? So let me make it proper. Here guys you can see we have the door, and here we have the window. Here you can see guys, this is the dress, this is bath, Okay, and this is its door. This is a door here. Okay, next guys, you can see at this side we have car parking. Look here. So this is car parking area. So this is its slab. This is car parking area. Next guys, you can see this is main entrance here. Okay, so here when you enter by this main entrance, so here guys you can see also we have two entrances. So this is specially for the stair. So this is stair, and you can see this is a living room. Sorry, not living room. You can see here, this is the door for this drawing room, and this is at back side. So this is its dress, and this is its bath. Okay, and here guys you can see again we have here opens to sky. Okay, OTS, this is open to sky, and this is its living room. Here at this area you can also keep the dining room, or dining area, dining table you can provide here. Okay guys, so you can see the planning. So this is car parking, so this is porch, this is its lawn. So main road, so this is porch, this is main entrance, this is stair hall, this is dress, this is drawing room, this is dress, this is bath, this is a dining area, this is its kitchen, store, laundry, backside veranda, bath. So this is bedroom, this is its dress, this is its bath, this is open to sky. So from this side you can keep the window, from this dressing room you can also keep the window. Also you can keep the big or the large window at this place for this living room. Guys, you can see, so here for this dining you can also keep the window here. For this kitchen you can also keep here. For this dressing you can keep here. So here you can keep the ventilation here. For this stair hall you can keep, for this stair hall you can also keep here. Okay, for this drawing room you can keep the window here. So guys, you can see the proper ventilation, you can see the proper sanitary you will find here. So these are some important tips. The first one is keep minimum 2 passage, left side or right side and back side, minimum and maximum for proper sanitary. And lighting, front lawn should not be less than 7 feet, boundary wall thickness should not be less than 4.5 inches and not more than 4.5 inches. So this is important. Inside walls you can keep 9 inches. Inside walls, between wall at the bedrooms, okay, or the kitchen you can keep also 4.5 inches. You can also keep up to 13.5 inches. Interior walls, on the top of this we have bearing walls, or that is covered area are providing on that. And these are the requirements, and I guided you that how we can make a small house planning, or how to draw a small house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. So I didn't mention any dimension, that's why, because I'm just guiding you how to make the planning. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.